Good evening and thank you for joining us on ERi-TV. This is English News Broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at 10:30 p.m. local time. First, the top stories. Founding Congress of PFDG organization in Germany. Seminar on significance of mangrove trees. China condemns U.S. military strike on suspected spy balloon. Chile expands emergency as death from wildfire rise. Founding Congress of PFDG organization in Germany was held on 28 January in Frankfurt. The Congress was attended by representatives from 26 states as well as heads of PFDG organization in Germany, indicating that the Eritrean people are entering into a promising stage by foiling all types of conspiracies and hostilities through strong resilience and perseverance. Mr. Kahsai Tolde, head of public and community affairs at the Eritrean embassy, said that the founding Congress will have significant contribution in strengthening unity and participation in the national affairs. Mr. Kahsai also gave briefing on the activities implemented in the past 12 years, and the participants conducted extensive discussion on the report presented. Mr. Kibra'ab Takhaste, Eritrea's Consul General in Frankfurt, also conducted seminar to participants focusing on the necessity and role of leadership. At the event, heads of national organizations and national committee in Germany delivered messages of solidarity. The Congress also elected extensive committees for 2 years term and adopted programs of 2023. The Ministry of Marine Resource organized seminar to residents of the villages of Akelo, Harena, and Galalo administrative area, Galalo subzone, focusing on the significance of mangrove trees in the development of marine resources. At the seminar, experts from the ministry gave briefings on the significance of mangrove trees in the development of marine ecosystem as well as on the modern way to expand the coverage of the mangrove trees. Indicating that Galalo subzone is rich in mangrove trees and has significant contribution in the livelihoods of the residents, Mr. Mahmoud Ibrahim, administrator of the subzone, called on the participants to apply the knowledge they gained in the development and preservation of the mangrove trees, pointing out that mangrove tree beyond animal feed has significant contribution in the development of fish resource. The participants expressed readiness to play their role in the development of the tree. International news follows after a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. The United States has shot down a suspected Chinese spy balloon off the coast of the U.S. state of South Carolina a week after it entered U.S. airspace and triggered a dramatic spying saga that worsened relationship between Beijing and Washington. The military attack on yesterday drew an immediate rebuke from China, which warned of necessary responses and insisted the unmanned civilian airship was a weather research balloon that had strayed into U.S. airspace completely accidentally. U.S. defense officials said multiple fighters and refueling aircraft were involved in Saturday's mission, but just one, an F-22 fighter jet from Langley Air Force Base in Virginia, took the shot at 2:39 p.m. using a single AIM-9X supersonic heat-seeking air-to-air missile. The balloon, which had been flying at about 18,300 meters, was shot down about 6 nautical miles off the coast of South Carolina. U.S. President Joe Biden told reports that he had issued an order on Wednesday to take down the balloon, but the Pentagon had recommended waiting till it could be done over open air to safeguard civilians from debris chasing to Earth. Chile has extended an emergency declaration to yet another region as firefighters struggle to control dozens of wildfires that have killed at least 23 people. The latest emergency order yesterday covers the southern region of Araucania next to previously declared Biobío and Noble regions located near the middle of the South American country's long Pacific coastline. The measure allows the government to mobilize the military to help battle the fire, Interior Minister Caroline Toja told reporters at the new conference in the Chilean capital, Santiago. Weather conditions have made it very difficult to put out the fire that are spreading and the emergency is getting worse. They need to reverse that curve. At least 23 people have died in connection to the fire, while 979 have been reported injured. More than 1,100 have sought refuge in shelters. Some 11 of the victims, or nearly half those reported killed so far, died in the town of Santa Joana, located 500 kilometers south of Santiago. The deaths also included a Bolivian pilot who died when a helicopter that was helping combat the frame crashed in the Araucania. A Chilean mechanic also died in the crash. And now we have a quick review of the top stars. Founding Congress of PFDG organization in Germany. Seminar on significance of mangrove trees. China condemns U.S. military strike on suspected spy balloon. And Chile expands emergency as death from wildfire rise. It was Miss Alem Berhana with the news for tonight. Thank you for listening.